In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a stylish text effect in Photoshop. Let's get started. First, select the text tool, type your text, adjust the size, and center it. Place your subject image. Resize and position it. Right-click the subject image layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl and J to duplicate the subject image layer. Hold Alt and click the Layer Mask button to add an inverted layer mask. Select the Brush tool. Make sure the foreground color is white, and brush over areas you want to reveal. Click the Adjustment Layer button and choose Gradient. Click the Gradient preview to open the Gradient Editor. Double-click this color stop right here. Enter the given color code. And click OK. Drag the left color stop to the right as shown. And also move the left opacity stop to the right like this. Click OK. Again, OK. Drag the gradient layer just above the text layer. It will clip automatically. Select the Text tool again. Adjust size. Type Text Effect. Change the font. I'm picking this one. And position it. Adjust the tracking to control spacing between letters. Make it bold, and position it neatly. Add another text layer. This time type Typography. And position it. Adjust letter spacing. Again, position it neatly. Click the New Layer button to add a new layer. Drag and place this layer above the background layer but below the text layers. Select the Brush tool. Adjust brush size with bracket keys. Open Brush Settings and drag this shape node downward to adjust the brush shape. Set the color to black. Click once like this to create a shadow. Lower opacity to 35%. Click the Adjustment Layer button and add a gradient map. Click the Gradient preview to open Gradient Editor. Choose a gradient from the blue section or any you like. I'm picking this one. Click OK. Change blending mode to overlay and lower opacity to 30%. And that's it. You've created a stylish text effect in Photoshop. If this helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what you want to see next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.